Hello guys, um, I want to share with you what I got today in the mail. I got iPhone. Okay, it's my new phone. I bought it like last week because I need a new phone to make better like videos on the go. And as you guys know, I know you can see it's not the latest one. It's the model is XR. And the reason I got XR, it's 10R, I guess. It was a budget phone when it came out like a few years ago, and I usually like Android devices, but I decided to try out iPhone. But as you know, there will be iPhone 12 soon, and I don't want to get iPhone 11. So I saw some special, and there was special like only like $450 on sale, and I got extra $100, so I only paid $350 for this one. So I decided, okay, I'm gonna buy it, try it for a few months, and if it's iPhone 12 come out, I can trade in this phone for $400 or about that much, because I checked online and trade-in price is about $400 right now, either Samsung or iPhone. So I'll check it out and see if I like iPhone platform, because I never have iPhone. So I have to sell one stock of Apple share to buy this phone, since Apple share is about $450 now. So I pay for this phone, and I have some money left for different gadgets. So let's open this phone and see what is inside. I'm really excited to see, and I'll tell you how I got this deal. And this deal is no contract, like most people sign contract in America. This is without contract, so I can leave this company at any time. I can change the phone anytime, and it cost me only $350, and most likely will be cost even less because I'm gonna get some cashback. I'm gonna get cashback about another $30 or $40, so it's about $300 phone gonna be for me, plus tax. Okay, let's find out what is inside, okay? And please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bottom like below, and we'll check what is inside. You probably saw many videos before, and this is one of them. Very excited to see, because I like black color of the phone. The size is almost like 11. It's the same exact size as 11 iPhone right now, and it's 6.1 inches. And the only difference is it has one camera, but I think I don't need many cameras. If I am making just regular videos, I need one camera, and you don't really need much more than 12 megapixel, because that's more than enough to make good camera. It's 4K videos, making 4K videos, so I think it should be pretty good. Okay, but again, I might trade in for iPhone 12 in October or September. Usually in October they come out. Okay, so that's a good deal. All right, let's see what is inside. Let's open up. All right, it includes some documents. It says designed by Apple in California, so that's design here, but I guess it's made in, let's see where it's made, China. Okay, so San Francisco, wherever they design it. Okay, what is inside? Let's say got some stickers here. I'm not sure where we're gonna put them on. Some instruction. Hello, hello. So they give you, okay, they give you instruction how to do face detection, how to set it up. I'll do setup later, and I'll do another video for this. Okay, let's see what is inside. So it's my black iPhone. Really nice. It comes with a block, pretty small block. Anyway, it's very small block, and then it comes with earpiece, still with wire, not wireless, just like this. All right. It has inside the cable. It's a charging cable, I guess. USB. So USB cable and block. Headphones. Looks nice. And iPhone, brand new. Wow, it's really black. Alright, I'll make few pictures of this phone so you can see how it looks close up. My lighting is not the best here. I'll try my best. And it's black, as you can see. Really nice. I'm gonna try to turn it on, because I never have iPhone at all, and it feels really nice. It's all glass outside, aluminum frame, and looks like solid phone. And for $350, I think it's a really good deal, with one camera here, with a flashlight, and one camera here, and it's about the same size, just a little bigger what I have today. And the reason I also got iPhone, I was looking also in other brand like Motorola, H Plus or H. They are not compatible with DJI Fly-Up, and I got DJI. I have the DJI Mavic Mini, which my phone is not compatible right now, and I need to fly. I use my old phone to fly, and it's not good, so I need iPhone, and I don't want super big, so this is perfect size, and it should work perfectly with this. Okay guys, so first I want to tell you that I received also, since the phone it's beautiful and I don't want to get any damage to it, and usually the phone it falls also when you are dead. The kids and all these interactions can damage the phone very easy. I have dropped my phone at least few times a month, so I bought this protection. I think it's one of the best and affordable by spec. I'll post a link below where you can buy it almost for half price or even less. Okay, so I got this one, and I'm gonna unbox it and show how to easy to install this one. Okay. Just opening this one, and you can see I love this one. I have the same protection with another phone, and it's lasts for year, and I drop it so many times and it save it. So it's really good. The reason I like this brand, because you can feel the texture. It's really good hold. So what you do, just simply place the phone in by pushing it in slowly down from both sides, and that's it. And it feels really good. And it's now looks like almost the same as my other phone I have. Don't you think so? It's almost the same. I think my phone looks even bigger, but my size, this Motorola G6, it's an older phone. The reason I replacing it, because I cannot connect to the DJI app. That's about it. I'm gonna pause this video. Please hit the like below and let me know what you think. Have you have this type of phone? I just checked also. I went to the store and I checked iPhone 11 regular one, and it looks exactly like this. The only difference is the camera and half price. Of course, the camera will give you some depth details, extra camera, but I think I should be okay with this camera. I already took some pictures and some laps, like time lapse, and it works really nice. I'm gonna also post time lapse, compare this phone with GoPro. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy. It was just simple unboxing, and this is the brand I use for protection. I will also get a screen protector, a glass, and because the glass is strong, but again, you don't want to get scratches, and whenever I drop my phone, the glass protection breaks, but the phone untouched. Highly recommend it. Okay, all right, thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe and hit the like button below. See you later.